What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis, and of course also we're gonna have a look into some altcoins like Ethereum and Solana, guys, because the altcoin season is here and we're gonna have a look into some of the altcoins as well, guys, because right now is the time to pay attention. Right now we're entering into the most parabolic phase of this bull run as expected, guys, until the end of this year in my opinion. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I just woke up, guys, I'm just having a cup of coffee and we're gonna have a look into the different time frames for Bitcoin, what are my expectations here for the immediate short term, and of course also into the altcoins, because right now we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance falling, guys, and that's why right now I think it's the time to be sitting in altcoins, mostly in altcoins, because they most likely are going to outperform Bitcoin. Even when Bitcoin is going sideways or down right now, we are seeing the altcoins nicely pumping. And this is a typical characteristic of an altcoin season that we also have seen in the past. And right now this is repeating. I am feeling a bit sick, guys. My nose is completely closed. I hope that you can understand me well. But keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing everything that I'm buying and selling and trading with you guys. Everything in this video is just my own opinion. And of course, my own price analysis and TA. So if you want to also get on board into some new low market cap coins like Bitcoin Hyper or Maxi Doge that currently are going viral, this new Doge coin, and of course also this new Bitcoin Hyper, this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that is raising now over 9 million, guys. This is insane. I think this is the next biggest one that will be launching. And remember, guys, very often they are pumping and dumping then, and if you want to be on board, then make sure to be always investing into those coins before they're coming out and not whenever the pump is already happening, because those new coins that are upcoming during this altcoin season, guys, I think that they are going to be great. Doesn't matter if they're gonna pump and dump. Important is that you are in the coins before the big pump. And if it's pumping, then of course you can take profits. And don't be the exit liquidity. Don't buy then at the top whenever you see a coin that is already like at the top. I mean, even SPX 6900, guys, a great coin if you look at the performance here in the last couple of weeks and months. But this one also is just going sideways now because the big gains are already made. And that's why don't be the exit liquidity if you're buying into new low market cap coins, because they often are moving in waves. They pump and dump all the time. Sometimes, of course, they can also continue to pump, but nothing is guaranteed. Of course, it's always high risk, and that's why make sure to be investing into those coins before the big pump and not when already they pumped a lot. If you want to get access to them, the links are in the video description: Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge, Token 6900, and so on. And also, if you want to sign up to some exchanges like Bybit, Fimex, Maxi Global, and so on, use my links, guys, because then you get access to different nice events and maximum deposit bonuses everywhere. Also here right now on Maxi Global, you have this Ethereum event for new users. So if you sign up with a new account here on Maxi Global, you can get Ethereum at $360, 90% off instead of $4,700 right now, because Ethereum is going, in my opinion, towards new all-time highs probably this week. But first, we're gonna have a look quickly into Bitcoin, guys, and also into this OKB token. This is the token of OKX exchange, and you can see that very often those coins are pumping like crazy. And exchange tokens, or wallet tokens, very often they are great coins to hold also for the long term, because very often they are really performing nicely during bull runs and even during bear markets. Of course, they also are correcting, but not as, for example, some meme coins that are correcting minus 90%. And also this one here, OKB, the own exchange token of OKX, pumped over 200%, guys, in like 1 day. This is insane, and this is the characteristic of an altcoin season. We are seeing, of course, such crazy things now probably on a daily base until we're gonna top out probably towards the end of this year, in my opinion, here in the crypto space. And meanwhile, Bitcoin is just going sideways, guys. Of course, also Bitcoin is looking great because we have this breakout to the upside from this bullish pattern here, and therefore, of course, I'm expecting also here new all-time highs. It's just a matter of time. And of course, we still can come down to maybe close the CME gap down at $117,000. Yes, we also have one open up at $92,000, guys, so don't forget about that. This is also a CME gap here, even visible on the daily time frame. Maybe they are getting filled in the next bear market, who knows? But for now, of course, we should be bullish. And if really somehow we are first coming down to close that gap, then of course we're gonna have here a great buy opportunity, my opinion. And of course also long opportunity if you're trading, for example, with leverage here on Bybit or whatever exchange. Of course, also here, high risk, guys. So when you're trading with leverage, same like if you would invest into those new meme coins like Maxi Doge, Token 6900 and so on. Everywhere you have risk. But of course, right now is the time to pay attention, of course, and look out for some hidden gems and also for the quality altcoins, because I think that they will probably outperform Bitcoin. That not all altcoins. I think that mostly the quality meme coins and also altcoins will do that. And also for Bitcoin, I am still targeting targets somewhere at around 200k towards the end of this year. And until then, we most likely gonna see a big altcoin season, guys, and the altcoins eventually even completely outperform Bitcoin. That's why right now it's also the time to be invested into some altcoins, because as expected, guys, I told you that once we have weekly closes below the 50 weekly moving average, that is holding as a support of this Bitcoin dominance uptrend, then we're gonna see the beginning of the altcoin season. And of course, also once Ethereum is breaking into new all-time highs. And if we switch now over to Ethereum, you can see that we are very, very close to create new all-time highs. We are so close to it. I think it's almost guaranteed that we're gonna create new all-time highs here. Of course, no financial advice, but at this point, guys, I mean, a few weeks ago, we were here at $1,400 and we pumped already 240%. And I think that also Ethereum will head up towards the 10K to 20K area. So somewhere up here where Bitcoin is also trading at. And you can see this previous resistance trend line is all the way up here at around 20K. And yes, this is my target, guys. And you know when I'm gonna get, when I will take also some profits from those altcoins, because currently I'm buying into altcoins, especially Ethereum and Solana more. Tron, I have already enough. The other ones as well, Doge, Pepe, Mudang, and so on, I have them. But I buy some more quality coins like Ethereum, Tron, and Solana because I'm gonna definitely there also take profits first, but only once I see that Bitcoin also is most likely topping out, because this, in my opinion, will signal then also the end of the cycle and probably also the end of the altcoin season. But until then, I expect that also the altcoins will rally a lot, because the dominance is falling off the cliffs right now. For Ethereum, you know my targets, guys. I think that we're gonna reach those levels. We're probably gonna see new all-time highs this week. And for Solana as well. Solana here is also breaking out to the upside. And for Solana, I have targets. Most bullish case, $2,000. Like a bit more conservative targets. Hard to tell, guys, because Solana is so looking so bullish. I mean, here the breakout target of around $1,500. I think this could be a potential target if you measure it from this movement. So basically, once we started here to skyrocket until the top, and if this was a bull flag here, then in theory the conservative target would be $1,500. More bullish would be $2,200. So I know that some people are just saying $800 or $1,000. It's difficult to tell. We would be no man's land up here, but in my opinion and in my TA, we could reach those targets, because also if this would be kind of a cup and handle formation, then the breakout target of that, so let's assume this is the bottom here and this is the top, the neckline. So if we're going to break out here to the upside, this would take Solana to even higher levels, to $4,000. I don't expect that, but it doesn't matter how you do your measurements or price TA and so on. At the end, you always get four-digit targets here for Solana as well. So yes, guys, I am bullish. Of course, no financial advice, always high risk. But right now, I think it's the time to be in altcoins and watch out for the ones that are performing right now. Because the ones that are not performing, they could be left behind in this altcoin season. So watch closely whatever is going on right now. But if you want to be like on the safe side, then of course with Ethereum, Tron, Solana, for example, is already enough. Maybe buy some Pepe and Doge and that's it. No need to diversify to 1,000 coins. That's almost impossible. And of course, I'm keeping also most of my coins, most of my money, of course, into Bitcoin, more than 90%, even if I'm expecting an altcoin season. But with fresh fiat, with fresh stable coins or fiat that I'm putting into the markets, I definitely gonna buy more altcoins right now and pause at the moment my DCA into Bitcoin, at least until the altcoin season is taking place. So that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna update you on some of the altcoins as well, and also some new upcoming cryptos like Best Wallet, for example. You see how wallet tokens and also exchange tokens are performing sometimes, and that's why also I'm buying into Best Wallet. This is going to be the next token of this new decentralized app that is going currently viral. You can see also in different crypto websites that Best Wallet is also mentioned as one of the most hyped new DEX wallets, and they are bringing out their own token also in the next coming weeks and months. And also right now we can, even in this one here, invest and of course stake it and keep it here. Best Wallet is also linked here in the video description if you want to have a look at it. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep you updated, so stay tuned, be subscribed guys, thank you for watching. Be subscribed and also follow my other social media platforms. I'm updating you sometimes also there with some posts and links and stuff like that. But when I have time, of course, I'm gonna drop videos. So that's why make sure to be subscribed everywhere, and also on this channel. We're gonna do a $100 giveaway as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers. So share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.